Hi everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to table functions with DAX. So let's quickly go to our data. We are going to write three table functions: filter, all, and values. So values returns the unique values of a column in a table, or all the unique values in a table. So what we are going to use values on in this lesson, we are going to use values on the customer table. So to see what it will return to us. So what we use these table functions largely for is that we use them in a function in a DAX function called calculate, which adds filter context to our formula. So we'll be looking at calculate after these table functions. So let's quickly look at what these table functions are. So I go to new table. So I call this table function, that's tf values. So I name the table function values. So that is equal to values, then my customer table. So this returns all the fields in the customer table. So you can see 59,913 rows. When we go to our customer table, so the same thing, 59,913 rows. So we use these formulas in DAX, so in calculate function, to filter our table, or just to get the whole content in our table, create a virtual table inside a function, a DAX function. So this is values. So the next thing we are going to look at is all. But before we look at all, values can also return a particular column from a table. Let's say, for example, we want to return the age. Or let's say we want to return, let's try the age. I want to return the age out of this table. So it returns all the age from the table. So it depends on what you want to return and depends on what you want to do. You take the values and create a virtual table with it inside your formula, inside your DAX function. So let me return this back to customer table. Right. So this is values. Let's create another new table that will show us what all does. So I call this table function all. This will be equal to all customer table. Enter. So this returns everything on the customer table as well. So, but the difference between all and filter is that all does not include that filter context. So using calculate and all together, you use those to remove filter context. So you will see that as we do something later on. So again, let me go to the third function, which is filter. It's also a table function. Filter table function. So I'll go to new table. I'll call this table function tf filter. So this is equal to filter. So my table name, customer, Shift Enter to break lines, or let me put table name customer. Let me say, for example, I want to check my customer segmentation column. So customer segmentation. Okay. So customer segmentation, let me do equal to bronze. I want to see all my bronze customers. Or let me say gold. I have gold in there. Let me say gold. See. Okay, these are all my gold customers. You see, we have 4,608 rows. Compared to my values where I return the whole table, we have 59,000 rows. So gold customers are 4,608 rows. So these are how this table function works. The filter function, this is how it works. I can filter by age, I can filter by gender. So depending on what I want to see. So I can just do my filter by all this. So, and it works perfectly. So this is all about table function. In the next lesson, I'm going to be showing you what the difference between these table functions, so on a visual. So thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.